All right, so before we start writing React code, I want to do just a few quick little housekeeping things. So the first thing I want to do is I want to really quickly just bring in Bootstrap to help us out with some of the styling. So what I'm going to do for that is in my terminal, I'm going to kill the server here. And what I'm going to do is yarn add Bootstrap to install Bootstrap into our app. And then what we can do is we can come over here and I'm going to rename this hello react.jsx file. And I'm going to make this into index.js. And if you're following along and you do this, just make sure that you also update the JavaScript pack tag to match what you change that to. So in my case, I'm going to make this into index. And then what we can go ahead and do though inside of this new index file is we can actually import Bootstrap. I think it's dist css and then bootstrap.css. And what that'll do is basically just give us access to Bootstrap so that we can use that to style our components as we're building this out.